Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Technology. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most talked about flagship phones of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge. It's sleek, powerful, and packed with features. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First off, the design. Samsung has really refined the Edge series with the S26 Edge. It's got a curved dynamic AMOLED 2X display that just melts over the sides, and yes, it looks gorgeous. This 6.8-inch display pushes out a stunning QHD Plus resolution with a 140Hz refresh rate, giving you buttery smooth visuals whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching content. The bezels, practically non-existent. The glass back with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 and the polished aluminum frame give it a premium feel. This is luxury in your hand. And yes, it's IP68 water and dust resistant. Under the hood, the Galaxy S26 Edge is a beast. It runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor globally this time, no more Exynos Snapdragon split, and we love that. You've got 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, up to 1TB. Everything is fast, apps open instantly, multitasking is a breeze, and even intensive games like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile run on max settings with no hiccups. Samsung has also optimized One UI 7 beautifully here. It's smooth, intuitive, and packed with smart AI features like adaptive battery and enhanced personalization. Now let's talk cameras. The Galaxy S26 Edge features a quad camera setup, a 20MP main sensor, a 50MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, a 12MP ultrawide, and a 3D ToF sensor for depth and AR features. Photos are just chef's kiss, crisp details, natural colors, and Samsung's new AI processing really shines in low light. The 10x zoom shots are incredibly usable, and space zoom up to 100x has better stability and clarity now. For selfies, the 40MP front camera doesn't disappoint either. It's sharp, wide, and great for vlogging or video calls. The S26 Edge comes with a 5200 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. Thanks to the new AI battery management system, it learns your usage patterns and helps extend battery life even further. Charging is fast to 65W wired and 45W wireless charging, plus reverse wireless charging for your earbuds or watch. From 0 to 100% in just under 40 minutes, that's flagship territory. You also get the best of the extras. Wi-Fi 7 support, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers tuned by AKG, DeX support for turning your phone into a desktop computer. And of course, 7 years of software updates. Samsung is catching up to Apple here. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge worth it? If you're after cutting-edge design, top-tier performance, an incredible camera setup, and long-term software support, then yes, absolutely. It's a premium device with a premium price tag, but you're getting the very best Android has to offer in 2025. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just love having the latest and greatest, the Galaxy S26 Edge delivers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Future Technology for more in-depth phone reviews. See you in the next one.